Hello everyone, this is part 2 of 3.1 Basic Linear Equations in One Variable. We're still only going to be solving equations using the additive and subtractive properties at this point, but we might have to simplify the equation first before we can do that. So note, you want to distribute into any parentheses and combine like terms before getting the variable alone. Okay. So let's get some practice doing this. So example, solve each equation. A, 9x minus 5 minus 8x minus 6 equals 7. So there are no parentheses to use as a distributive property on here, but there are like terms. We have 9x and negative 8x. We have negative 5 and negative 6. 9x minus 8x is 1x. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. Equals 7. Now, 1x is the same thing as x. So I just want to get x by itself. So we're going to add 11 to both sides. On the left-hand side, the 11's cancel out, and we're left with x. 7 plus 11 is 18. So we get x equals 18. Part B. There are parentheses here, so we do need to use the distributive property. 5 times n is 5n. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. This is not part of the parentheses, so I do not distribute the 5 to it. So that just stays negative 4n equals negative 8. Now this time, we only have two like terms, 5n and negative 4n, which is 1n, or just n. Minus 20 equals negative 8. And then we add 20 to both sides. The negative 20 and 20 cancel out, and we're left with n equals negative 8 plus 20. Since they're different signs, I need to subtract them. But I need to go the larger number minus the smaller number. So 20 minus 8. I borrow the 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1. So we get 12. And since the 20 was larger and it was positive, our answer will be positive as well. So n equals 12. Then the last example for this video has quite a few parentheses that we need to distribute. So let's get started. 3 times 2y, 6y. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. This is not in parentheses, so that just stays the same. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times 1 is 2. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. So now I want to look for like terms. So on the left-hand side, we have 6y and minus 5y. So 6y minus 5y is 1y, or just y. And then minus 3. Then we have equals. Well, I see the 2y and negative 2y, those will cancel out. So nothing to do there because 2y minus 2y is 0. But then we have the 2 minus 6, which is negative 4. Then, to solve for y, we add 3, add 3. So we get y equals, and again, they're different signs, so technically I'm subtracting. 4 minus 3 is 1. Since the 4 was larger and it's negative, though, our answer is -1. And that's it for part 2 of the notes.